Hey everyone, welcome back to Voss Tech. Today I'm taking you on a journey across the internet to explore 10 incredible websites you probably didn't even know existed. But once you do, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. From tools that improve your writing to websites that literally pay you for unclaimed money, and even some that help you find creative inspiration. Today's list is packed with hidden gems that are useful, fun, and absolutely mind-blowing. So grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's dive straight into these amazing, underrated websites you've got to try right now.
Let's kick things off with a true lifesaver for writers, Hemingway Editor. If you write anything, essays, blog posts, YouTube scripts, emails, or stories, Hemingway is like your personal writing coach that helps you craft clear, concise, and powerful sentences. It highlights complex sentences, passive voice, and unnecessary adverbs, things that often make writing sound cluttered or dull. The app gives your text a readability score, which shows how easy it is to read. Ideally, you want your writing to sound like a conversation, not a university lecture. This tool is especially powerful for content creators, marketers, and students, helping you transform average writing into sharp, engaging prose. Think of Hemingway as your digital editor who never gets tired and always keeps your writing clean and confident. Perfect for writers, students, bloggers, and YouTubers.
Who doesn't love free stuff? Hey, It's Free is one of those websites that feels like you just discovered a secret part of the internet. It's dedicated to finding free samples, giveaways, coupons, and freebies from legit brands. You'll find everything from free skincare samples, digital trials, to restaurant coupons, all verified to make sure they're not scams. The best part? The site is updated daily, so there's always something new to claim. It's like having a friend who spends hours digging through the web just to send you free stuff. If you enjoy discovering cool products without spending a dime, this one is pure gold. Perfect for deal hunters, students, and budget-conscious users. Here's something for the curious minds out there. Lizard Point is an interactive learning website that turns boring quizzes into engaging educational games. You can test your knowledge on geography, languages, science, business, art, and even computer basics. It's perfect for students, teachers, or anyone who loves to keep their brain sharp. The geography quizzes are especially popular. They'll challenge you to locate countries, flags, and capitals on a map. You'll be surprised how much you actually remember, or don't. It's both fun and educational, and it's a fantastic way to learn through play. Perfect for students, teachers, lifelong learners. Ready to travel the world without leaving your room? MapCrunch drops you into random locations across the globe using Google Street View. One moment, you could be standing on the streets of Tokyo, and the next, you're exploring the countryside of Iceland. It's an amazing website for virtual explorers and even more fun if you play it like a game. Try to guess what country you're in before checking the map. MapCrunch is a hidden gem for travel lovers, geography nerds, or just anyone who needs a 5-minute digital escape. Perfect for travelers, gamers, daydreamers. For the musicians and creators out there, this one's amazing. Vocal Remover uses AI to split a song into 2 parts, the vocals and the instrumental. Perfect if you want to make karaoke tracks, remixes, or mashups. It's completely free, works in your browser, and processes songs super fast. No complicated setup, just upload your file, and boom, your custom track is ready. This site is a must-have for DJs, music producers, YouTubers, and karaoke lovers. Perfect for musicians, YouTubers, remix artists. Ever tried drawing something and it ended up looking like a potato? AutoDraw by Google fixes that. It uses machine learning to guess what you're trying to draw and then replaces your sketch with a clean, professional version. So if you draw a rough cat, it'll instantly turn it into a perfect cartoon-style cat. It's simple, fun, and surprisingly accurate. It's perfect for designers, teachers, or kids, and anyone who wants to make visuals fast without design skills. perfect for designers, teachers, kids, and creators.
If you thought calculators were boring, think again. Calculator Soup is a treasure trove of free online calculators for almost everything. Financial and loan calculations, math and physics equations, conversions, percentages, fractions, and even date differences. Whether you're doing taxes, checking compound interest, or just solving math problems, this site gives you instant results. It's incredibly helpful for students, business owners, and anyone who wants accurate answers without opening Excel.
Here's a weird one that actually works. Coffitivity recreates the ambient sounds of a coffee shop: chatter, cups clinking, and gentle background noise, which has been proven to boost creativity and focus. If silence feels too quiet and music is too distracting, this site gives you the perfect middle ground. It helps your brain stay alert and in flow mode. Writers, programmers, and remote workers swear by it. Try it while you work. You'll be surprised how productive you become. Last but definitely not least, CopyKat Recipes. This site lets you recreate famous restaurant dishes right in your kitchen. Whether it's a Starbucks Frappuccino, Olive Garden pasta, or a McDonald's burger, they've got step-by-step recipes that taste almost identical. The instructions are easy, ingredients are simple, and the results? Delicious. It's a fun way to save money, learn new cooking skills, and impress your friends. Perfect for food lovers, home cooks, and budget eaters.
And there you have it. 10 incredible, underrated websites that make life easier, smarter, and a whole lot more fun. If you found even one of these useful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Comment below which one blew your mind the most, and I might feature your comment in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Voss Tech for more hidden gems, free tools, and tech tips every single week. Thanks for watching, and remember, the internet's best treasures are often the ones nobody told you about. Until now,